Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tourismx token. Ticker symbol is TRMX. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. Right now it's up 3.3%, sitting at about 55.3 cents per token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Tourismx token, ticker symbol TRMX. So before we get into this token, there is a big warning here at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before investing in this token. It says an unlocked wallet is holding more than 50% of the tokens, which could potentially lead to market manipulation. Please proceed with caution. So basically they're saying you could get rugged. Okay, so definitely be aware of that. Doesn't necessarily mean 100% that you are going to get rugged, but there's definitely a possibility of it. Their potential of rugging is there when there's a big unlocked wallet where they could dump those funds. So definitely be aware of that and thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Now, how can you get this token? Well, it got listed on a central exchange recently. You can get this token off of LBank. So if you don't have an LBank account and you want to get this token, just download LBank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TRMX, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. That's all you got to do to get this token. So their official webpage is tourismx.io. On CoinMarketCap, you can find their BSC scan, price chart, contract address, webpage, Linktree, Twitter, Telegram, Medium, Instagram, all that stuff is listed on CoinGecko now. So they have a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 4 decimal places on this token. There is a full white paper PDF that you can view as well on their BSC scan. You can also find it linked on their webpage as well. Now, on their white paper, there is a lot of information on here. So it says the tourism industry is 8.6 trillion USD in size and 10% of the global economy. So that's why, they're trying to capitalize on it. Now, they do have a full CERTIC audit as well. I mean, they have a full CERTIC audit, but still be aware of that warning, right? Just because they have an audit and just because CERTIC is the leading auditor, that doesn't necessarily mean that the audit is perfect. You have to review the audit. So you can review the CERTIC audit on their page, but just definitely be aware of that unlocked wallet. So first thing that pops up on their webpage, it says this token is trading on LBank, and that is starting November 10th, and that was just yesterday, November 11th, and now they got their new CoinGecko listing as well. So they're starting to take off here, getting more listings. Tourismx project is a revolutionary idea for the rapid growing global tourism industry. Its innovative financing system creates a win-win-win for every stakeholder. Tourismx project is supported by renowned World Tourism Forum Institute and World Tourism Fund and Investment WTFI, holding with global vision partners from all around the world. Tourismx project will generate funds through TRMX token and then will invest these funds into carefully selected promising tourism projects across the globe. Once these projects become profitable in total, a part of the profit, up to 50%, will be used to buy back TRMX tokens from the market to be locked in the treasury, decreasing the number of tokens in circulation and aiming to positively impact the price of the TRMX token. Now they show their partners on here. They have Core Hotels, Four Seasons, Hilton, Marriott, Radisson, Certic, basically a bunch of hotels. Tourismx is a new revolutionary financial tool to create DeFi investment funds, empower global tourism industries. So for hotels, Trmx will invest in several hotels and service apartments in Africa, Asia, Europe, and Americas in close collaboration with the world's leading hotel chains. This will be a solid proof and inject immense trust to TRMX business model, helping the value of the token grow. So also with restaurants, private jets, luxury concierge, unique experiences and events. So they're getting involved with all those things within the travel and tourism industry. So it's a revolution for global investment in tourism and tourism development. TRMX token is targeting to become the tourism token for the world. With hotels, restaurants, private jet fleets, luxury concierges, and more, tourism facilities will be built and run on the TRMX token. We believe in potential of decentralized finance, DeFi, to change all the concepts about investment. So we introduce our DeFi system we've been developing to create a global tourism investment fund. We're tokenizing the nature of capital and project relationships as an act through contemporary essentials. So they have a buy button. If you want to buy it off LBank, it'll take you right there from their webpage. Now they have a newsletter. You can click on sign up for the newsletter, catch the latest updates if you want to do that. So this token is a revolutionary idea for the rapid growing global tourism industry. An innovative financing system creates a win for every stakeholder, and it is built on top of the high growing travel and tourism industry. So the benefits, it injects smart finance projects where classical finance instruments might be ineffective or expensive. Institutional funding is harder due to inflation and total uncertainty of the world. Banks and financial interest rates are overwhelmingly high. TRMX token provides hotel and hospitality industries with acceptable funding. And we all know about inflation. And yeah, that's not very fun. So you can read more about this this token on their webpage, tourismx.io. They even have a metaverse project in the works, it looks like. They have blog articles. They have a roadmap on here. Eventually, they're going to have an MEXC global listing. That looks like it's going to be their next central exchange listing. So if you want to get it on MEXC Global, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Check out all the referral codes down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token down below? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.